Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I think at one point of making videos, I made something how to get evenly spaces on like this six-sided polygon. But I don't think I've ever done it this easy. So I'm going to take a six-sided polygon. I'm going to hold down the control button. It doesn't matter what size it is right now. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour, and I'm going to contour it 3/100ths of an inch in black on the outside. Now, I'm going to select it all. I'm going to go to Object and break the contour apart. And then I'm going to make it with my ratio lock for easiness. I'm going to make it 5 inches. You can make it whatever size you want. I'm going to change my nudge factor to 5. I'm going to hit the plus key and then, or Control D, and just make a bunch of copies along the way. Let me get off the screen since I'm so big. Now I want to group these together. And then I want to Control D and duplicate it. I'm going to take that node right there and go right there. Now, if you go again, it's going to keep you at an angle. So group these together, Control G, Control D, and then come straight down. You'll still be at an angle a little bit, but when you do your Control D, it'll be like this. Now, select them all. Go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup All. We're going to go to Find and Replace. I'll go to Edit, Find and Replace, and we want to get rid of the black line. Inside of Find and Replace on every one of them is Edit Query. Double click on it. Make sure nothing else is checked. And go down to Outline Properties. That's checked, but then you got to double click on the text itself. And I've already picked black. I want to get rid of the black. I want to find all black. So you could do width or color. So I'm going to do that right there. And then I'm going to go find all. And then I'm just going to hit delete. And look at that. I have perfect spacing throughout. Now, if you wanted to square this thing off, you could. You could still go, make them all blue and take away the outline and have a pretty cool graphic. I don't even know what to call it. Wallpaper. Because you could now, before I did that, I could have kept going left and right, the same locale. But the contour helped us snap, and it kept the spacing perfect. Hope that helped a little bit or gave you an idea or two. And thank you for watching.